guys, how you all doing? So in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix your broken eyeshadows. Well, I cannot fix anyone's broken heart, but I thought why not show you guys how to fix the broken eyeshadows. So we're gonna fix this in just few minutes. It is absolutely simple. You just need one ingredient to fix this. So let's begin and see. So first thing you have to do is keep your eyeshadow palette on a flat surface. Now the one ingredient that we need to fix this is this 99% isopropyl. I will leave the link in the description box. I bought this from Amazon. So now the first thing that I'm doing is just mixing everything with the help of a spatula. You can use a toothpick also. Now I'm adding some drops of alcohol in it. Now again mixing everything so the alcohol gets mixed with the shadow properly. Adding some more alcohol here and mixing it again. Next thing you need to do is just put a tissue paper on top of it, and with the help of a flat surface, which is the size of your eyeshadow, just press it completely. You can take any flat surface. I've taken an eyeliner bottle because it was the same size as my eyeshadow palette. Now I'm just pressing it gently for at least a minute. So it's been a minute already, so I will lift the tissue paper and see if our eyeshadow is set. If not, then you can continue to press it again for some more time. So let's see how our shadow looks. Well, the tissue has absorbed all the alcohol, you can see, and the shadow looks perfect. There are no cracks. It looks absolutely smooth. I'll just clean the edges to show you the final result. Well, it looks as good as new, guys. So next time when your eyeshadow breaks, there's no need to throw it. You can just fix it with a small hack. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys soon. Thank you for watching.